I've started a Read My Bible Every Day plan, and I have finished it exactly 0 times. Day 1, I'm locked in. Day 4, I forget. Day 7, I've completely given up. So I stopped trying to fix my discipline, and instead I just made the whole thing lazier. And something happened a few weeks into doing it that almost made me quit completely. I'll get to that. But first, here's the actual method. Step 1, stop trying to read a chapter. Read one verse. Just one. The plan that asks for one verse is a plan you'll actually finish. The plan that asks for 3 chapters is a plan you'll quit by Thursday. Step 2. Attach it to something you already do every day without thinking. For me, that's brushing my teeth. Sounds ridiculous. But I open the app, read one verse, right there at the sink. 20 seconds. Step 3. Don't read ahead and don't feel behind if you miss a day. It's just whatever verse shows up that day. Okay, so that thing I almost quit over? About 3 weeks in, I opened the app and the verse that showed up that day was one I'd been actively avoiding for months. One tied to something I hadn't really dealt with. And my first instinct was to just close the app and pretend I didn't see it. But because the habit was already so small and automatic, closing the app felt weirder than just reading the one verse. So I read it. And it was the first time in months I actually sat with something instead of scrolling past it. That's the part nobody tells you. The habit isn't really about the verses. It's about building something so small you can't talk yourself out of it, even on the day you need it most. So if discipline hasn't worked for you either, stop trying to be more disciplined and just make it smaller instead. Try the one verse thing for a week and tell me how it goes in the comments. See you in the next one.